Hello, today's topic is EC2 Autoscaling Service. So, this Amazon EC2 Autoscaling Service helps you to ensure that you have the current number of Amazon EC2 instances that are available to handle the load for your application. There's one more concept, autoscaling groups. This is nothing but a collection of EC2 instances. You can specify the minimum number of instances in each autoscaling group, and Amazon EC2 autoscaling ensures that your group never goes below this size. So I've already logged into my AWS account. So currently I am in EC2 dashboard. Here it is. You can select it by clicking on EC2. So first step is to EC2 instance creation. For that you have to click on launch instance. So here we have to select AMI. I will go for free tier only and select Ubuntu Server 18.04 LTS. Next step is to choose an instance type. I will choose T2 Micro because it is free tier. Click on next. Again, I will keep it as it is. Click on next. Next is add storage. You can add storage that you want. I will again keep it as it is. Click on next. So this is security group. If you want to add security group, then you can add. I don't want to add. I will keep it as it is. Click on review and launch. So this is your configuration details. Click on launch. Here you have to select key pair. I have created key pair K1. If you don't have, then you can simply click on create a new pair and you can create. I will choose existing key pair, check it and launch instances. So this is your launch status. Create on view instances. So this is our instance which is in pending state and it is initializing. It will take some time for initializing. As you can see, our instance is in running state, but it is still initializing. We have to wait for a while. Let's refresh our page. Again, it is still initializing. We have to wait for some time. Keep refreshing the page. Okay, as you can see, the initializing process is now completed and our instance is in running state. So let's give the name to our instance. Let's say server 11. Now next step is to create an image. For that we have to first select our instance, then click on actions, then select image and click on the create image. Here we have to specify the image name. Let's say server 11 and create on and click on create image. Image is created now. Close the tab. If you want to see image, then you can simply click on here AMIs. This one, server 11. It is in pending state. It will take some time. Let's refresh the page. Make sure that you have good network connectivity. Okay, this is AMI and it is now available, as you can see the status. Okay, so now next step is to configure the auto scaling. For that you have to click on launch configurations here. So click on it. So now we are going to click on create launch configuration here. And here we are going to select my AMIs we have created previously. Here it is server 11. Select that server 11. Again I will keep it as it is, T2 micro. Click on next. Now here you have to name the let's say server 11. Click on next. Again I will keep it as it is. Click on next. Then review. Here's your configuration details and click on create launch configuration. Here I'm again selected the K1 and check it. Click on create launch configuration. So here you can see successfully created launch configuration server 11. Now we are going to create auto scaling group. Click on create an auto scaling group using this launch configuration button. Here we have to specify the group name. So let's say server 11 and here I'm going to give is two instances. You can specify any number of the instances that you want. Click on next. Okay, we have to select subnet. Now click on next. Here are two options. Keep this group as its initial state and use scaling. Here you can provide information that number of instances that you need. I will choose first option. Click on next. Again click on next. I'm not going to specify any key value pair here. Click on review, and this is your configuration. Create autoscaling group. Click on it. So as you can see, successfully created autoscaling group. Now close the tab. So our autoscaling group is created with minimum 2 instances. So this group should have at least 2 instances. So if we see on our EC2 dashboard, so here it shows total 3 running instances. That means the 2 instances of autoscaling group and 1 instance of this server 11. So these 2 are of autoscaling group. So let's specify the name instance 1 I1 and instance 2, that is I2. Both are initializing. We have to wait for some time. If any one of this instance is deleted or destroyed or terminated, then autoscaling group will automatically detect that one instance is not present, so it will automatically create a new instances. We have to wait for some time. It is still initializing. Let's refresh the page. Okay, now you can see the initializing process is completed now, and if we terminated this instance, let's terminate this. Go to instance state and terminate. Click on yes, terminate. Now after terminating, autoscaling group will detect that there is only one instance is present, that is I2. So it will create one more instance because it's a minimum instance requirements are 2. That's why. So yeah, I1 is terminated. Let's refresh the page. After some time, we will see that another new instance will be created here. It will take some time. Again, we will refresh the page. Yes, as you can see, the new instance is running, initializing. So this is created by the autoscaling group. It will again take some time for initializing. So as you can see, this server 11 instance is created by us, and this I2 and this two are created by autoscaling group. So in this video we have seen that how to configure the autoscaling, and how to create autoscaling group, how to create EC2 instance. So thank you for watching the video.